puso tanging lahat sa'yo.
Masdan mo ang lahat ko, nauuhaw sa iyo, sinta.
Nananaginip ng gising, nakakatulas sa hangin, susumiging damdamin, kahit halik lang ang akin. Nababaliw ako sa'yo, bawat silakbol ng puso ko, sa isang sulok
na lang umiibig sa'yo.
Naginip ng gising,
Nakatulala
sa hangin, susumiging damdamin, kahit halik lang ang akin.
Nababaliw ako sa'yo, bawat silakbol ng puso ko,
Sa isang sulok
na lang umiibig sa'yo.
sinta, umiibig sa'yo. Puro vocals kasi, walang ano. Hello, song. Sound check, 1, 2.
Hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
Hey, birthday. Oo,
Hello, song.
Yun, sige. Anong kanta pa?
Duet ka ba?
Ikaw.
Sige. Duet. Hello, song. Clue.
Ano pong song? Hey, hey.
Wala na. Yung YouTube naka-full din? Ate. Ate, yung YouTube full ano mo rin? YouTube. Bakit di naka-full sa YouTube?
Walang di ako sa tablet.
Sige na.
Kung akin sa tablet ako. Wala. After all, after all, karaoke. Bantan lumabas. Parang humina yung echo. Hello?
Song. Clue.
Hey, hey.
Yan. Mas malakas ng feedback.
Global Karaoke TV.
Kayo may-ari niya. Ikaw mag-adjust. Hindi mo nang performer. Well, here we are again. I guess it must be pain. We tried it on our own, but deep inside we know
Sakay ko yan.
you decide what things
Sakay.
pala. Okay naman pala.
I still remember when your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats, every step I'll take with me, every journey always brings me back to you.
After all the stuff inside, you keep coming back to this too hard. Two angels who've been rescued.
truly right.
This love is truly right.
It lives from here to here. It changes as it goes, going on the way it goes, but it never disappears. After all this happy time, we keep coming back to this true one. True angels to be rescued from the fall. After all we've been through, all comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be.
Forever you and me.
After all, always just beyond my touch. You know I needed you so much.
After all, what else is living for?
Oh, after all this happy time, you keep coming back to this too hard. Two angels who've been rescued from the fall. After all that we've been through,
All comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me.
After all the stop and time, we keep coming back.
Back to this too hard. Two angels who've been rescued from the fall. After all that we've been through,
All comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me. After all.
Thank you po.
Walang tingting may bayad yun. Joke lang.
Kayo po yung magbabayad dito po. Yes. Thank you po, boss. Ano pa, boss? Oh, ang galing ni boss, no? Kayo naman sa table niya, dali. Bakit ba wala tayong ibang gagawin kundi magkantahan mo daw?
Shallow.
Sino kakanta?
Dalawa kami.
Doon.
Ayoko dun.
Ang lagay.
Nasakot na si namin mga kapitbahay.
Ang lagay. Maglalagay kayo doon. Oh, sige.
Maya. Kasi sa mic.
Teka lang. May naglulakad.
Batiin natin yung mga kapitbahay, nag-aaway-aaway sila sa comment section.
Kaya mo nga. Yung kinakanta ko din yung shallow. Shalalalalaw.
Shoutout po mga kapitbahay.
Shoutout po dyan yung mga
Na-monitor tayo sa live.
check mo.
Check. Shalalala.
Habang nakain ako, nakanta kayo.
Sige lang.
Nakain ako.
Sige lang.
Nagtawag eh. Uputom na po.
Pa-shoutout ko yung kaaway nyo. Dali.
Shoutout po sa Spaghetti ang pangalan.
Ay! Wala. Sige.
Yes lang po kami rito. Pasensya na po.
Madami.
Tsaga na kami.
Ikaw na yung bahala sa akin to. Bayad mo po. Dito, wala pa yan. Wala pa po yung naman o, butas.
Tell me something.
Apat kayo eh.
Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Kami na lang mag-a-adjust na sa hina ng audio. Is there something else you're searching for? I'm for